Okay, so yeah, we will be doing Roblox Bedwars, but I will be the drill kit. So yeah, so we have a drill, and then we can collect our own resources with diamonds and emeralds. Let's see what we get to do. Okay, so see, this is my drill and my tablet. I can see what like the drill is seeing, but first I should go to the diamond gen to, you know. Oh my god, almost everyone in this server has no kit, which means I'm gonna have an easier life to win. Okay, so you're gonna see what I can do with my drill, see? And then I can attack if anyone comes and tries to destroy it. Okay. So, now if I upgrade my damage straight away, that'll be OP. Let's see if I can instantly get out. White team. Pretty easy, I would say. So now if I deal 24 because yeah, so yeah, now that they rage quit, I have an advantage because now I can easily just break their bed. So yeah, if you've seen my past video when I was using the Yummy kit, you would know that I have a strategy to go straight to these gens to get insanely good loot. And then I'm lit. And now I'm dead. Come on, let's get out of here, guys. We're gonna die. I ain't dying with this much loot. No! No, we got... He's gonna kill my drill. I'm dead. Guys, this was nice knowing you guys. But I'm not gonna last anymore. He's here. Sweaty. No. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, guys. This video will end shortly, I think. Yeah. No! 3.14589. Come on. Defeat, no! I am so out. Yep. Nice knowing you guys. But sometimes it has to happen. Yeah, guys, I lost. Oh my god, my win streak is gone, but how much XP did I get? The XP is all that matters, because once I get the cogsworth, I can make an even better video, because the drill is not really good. Yeah, bye guys.